but I am getting error. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, actually, I have getting this error internet server.
Okay. You have made some. Can you go to your code?
Okay,
Mm, okay. I think we should do something more. 1 minute. I am opening my solution also.
okay.
I haven't finished it. Uh, it is filtering members. Okay. 1 second. Show me your solution explorer.
Okay.
The controller is fine. Uh, okay. It's fine. There is some issue in the code itself. That's why it's throwing this error. Go to your member data. Interface models you have. Should not throw error. Can you remove the API controller? You have it on line number 8 and put it under the root. After the root, can you just
Line number 8.
API controller?
Yes.
Yeah. Copy that and paste it after the root.
Okay.
Sometimes this will throw error.
Okay.
That's why. Yeah. Try running it. Okay, it's still having error no, which is failed to load the API. Okay, 1 second. I am running mine for a minute. Okay, it is. Okay, I am also getting the same, which means our controller is not loading. Okay. Okay, 1 second. I'll go to program.cs. JSON. Mm, 1 second. All your controllers have verbs, no? Like all your controller methods have verbs, no? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That is your weather forecast. That's not an issue. Okay. I know the issue. Okay. Actually, I know the problem. 1 second. I found the issue. Mm, Two things we have to do. Controller base we should move. 1 second. Let me put this. Okay. Um, because I left it in between itself, I did not complete. No, so many things I did not do. So those were throwing the issues. This is working. Next, 1 second. What I have to do is I have to put the API controller. That's working. Map controls. Okay. Then I should control map it. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Just taking it. Where is the other one? Yes. I should take the root. Okay. Do this. I'll tell you. Remove the root and API controller both.
Okay.
Remove them. You have already put the controller base. No. Now run it. Stop and run it. No.
Okay.
No, always stop and run it. When you make changes to your C# code, Angular code, you can just run it as it is, refresh it. But when you never make a change to C# code, always stop and run it. Okay.
Stop and run. Okay.
So you should rebuild it. You are refreshing it, that's fine. But when you are working on real-time code, your cache won't get cleared.
Okay.
Okay. So 1 second. So this is the issue means. Start. So you're not seeing your API.
Yes, member control not display.
That is because your controller is not reflecting somewhere. That's the problem. When I do something to my added the new controller. 1 second. The controller. Okay. Uh, okay. In your screen, select the definition. Yeah. Do you click on it? Oh, it's showing only demo view. Okay. I'm checking this again. Uh, you should see both the controller. Wait,
Yes.
I'm checking. You have it as controller base, no? That is fine because that is the difference. Okay. AP means okay. We should have HTTP request to web API controller. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Wait, I'm going to do thing and then send you this. Okay. So you should say that should your HTTP should work. No. Hmm. We don't have startup class, so okay. Okay. There's no attribute. Okay. Okay. Uh, uh, what you should do is you should do few things. Okay. I'm going to send you few things one by one. You should do. Okay.
Okay.
First, add this to your this we can make the custom, but yeah, now add it to your action method. Above your action method, below your http verb, add this. Okay, this is the yeah, below that. For both you should add.
Okay.
For both you should add. And the line number 8 and 9 you can uncomment it. Okay, 8 and 9 you can uncomment it. Now run it. You stop the build and run it. Run it. Even now, if it is not working, there is one more thing. You should register the root. Is it working? No. So this is because we did not register the root. Okay, in MVC, we were registering the root in root config. No. So your ID is required. Okay, first one you should remove the ID.
Okay.
Yeah, that we can give custom roots later. You can even we can provide custom roots, custom names. Remove that star. I think there is there any star? Okay, no star. No. Okay. Have it until action. Yes. Yeah. So in MVC we were registering roots. No. So here we should register this way.
Okay.
Scroll down. You're getting the output.
Okay.
Try it for the second one. No, click on try it out. Then enter ID.
Okay.
Are you fine? No?
Actually, I have passed 3. But why I'm getting 2? One minute.
Go to your code. Go to your code.
Mhm.
Wait here. Put an debugger here.
Okay.
Now run it again. Click on execute.
Okay.
X2. Members that where it's ID. Check on the ID. Check on the ID. It
Okay.
is 2. Okay. We're giving first. But ID. Okay. Click on F10. Uh,
Okay.
okay. Check what is the member. Yeah. Click on here. Okay. It is returning 2 only.
Okay.
Okay. F10. Hit on F10 alone. Yeah. F10. Hmm. Yeah. Hit on F5. Scroll down. Oh wait, you sent 3 now, but it got received as 2, right? Hit on
Yes.
execute again. Hit on execute again.
Okay.
Hit on execute. Yeah. Ah,
Oh,
I know the issue. I know the issue. Go to your controller.
okay.
See, you are hard coding and sending 2.
Oh, yes, yes. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay.
That is the thing.
So,
Okay.
sometimes.
Yeah, that can
Okay.
happen. No issue. So,
But
okay.
I have guessed like if we can like this type of error, anything like we can check on console or out what is
Um, uh,
the error?
yes, I can help you. Just undo the root. So you'll get the error. Now I'll help.
Okay.
Tell you how to check. Just to comment out the root. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Now run it again. You will see the error. No, run it again.
Okay.
It is basically same as how we check in MVC. Okay, but there is one thing that you can see here. Right click, like right click, go to inspect element.
Okay.
Here, hit on network.
Okay.
Okay, so now reload this page. Just simply reload the page. Okay, there's no network now. Actually, it is not hitting anything. Go to console.
Okay.
Actually, here you are seeing the 500 error. That's the actually exact error. Actually, it is showing 500, which means it is not a there isn't code error. See, understand the errors with the that code 500. 500 will be internal server error. In if there is any code error, basically any code error, there is an issue with the code, something is missing in the code. There is an technical error in the code means you will get the 500 error. Okay.
Okay.
You have many error 400. If the error is 400, which means request is bad. Okay, so when there is an error in the API, so when you hit on the execute and then there is an error means how to find it, that you should find it with network. Now
Okay.
close this, go and fix the API and come. That I will show you how to check if there is an error in the API. Okay, when you run the API and there is an error, I don't know where it comes from. That
Okay.
will be that actually that is very, and you see some error and you don't know where it is coming from. So that time what we will do, I will tell you. Run it. Run it, go to your screen, hit on inspect element, then go to your one of the network. Yeah. Now go to get members, try it out and hit on execute. See, can you see the get members API? Select get
Yes.
members. Yeah. So it says it is a get method and it gives you the URL. It says the status for 200 means it passed successfully. And here, if there is an error, means it will give what error it is. Basically, if it is 400 means it is bad request. It means the input that you are giving is wrong. 401 means authorization issue. Like that, you will get many different. 204 means no content. Like
Okay.
that, you will see all the issues here. Let's say let's show you something else. Go to that another one that you are passing the input. No, go to that.
Okay.
That also you try running it. See, try it up. Execute. Control F. Just hit on Control F.
Okay.
Go to yeah. Uh, See, yeah. Go to that. See, click on that. Uh,
Okay.
See, it is passing the 4 along with the query string. So let's say if you are sending an model, okay.
O- Okay.
If you are sending a model, see, sending model is very simple. Just create a model, okay. Put a folder, create a model, and that model is your input. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
And if you send the model, you will see something called your request. Okay, you will see something called payload. After headers, you will see something called payload, which will show you the model, whatever
O-
you are sending. So, so when you are working on like front and back end model, like your main page means that time you should know where it is broken. You cannot run the API separately there. Okay, in
Okay.
your screen you're going and submitting something and you're showing some error means if you need to find something, you can find this way. Okay.
Okay. So it means like API related error we can see here, like bad
Yes.
request or anything all else.
Correct. Exactly.
Okay.
Your console and network are the two places. Your console will give you the blank errors. Like your API itself is not loading. It will show you here. If there is any error inside the API, then you should go to network. Okay.
Okay.
But your console will show you only just the error. You should find it out and you should fix it. Your network will show you what error and all in detail. Okay.
Okay.
That's the only thing. But if you want to write, see, let's say you don't know where the error is going occurring, and you want to test some data in the console itself, means go to your code. Once go to your code to your controller once. Okay. Yeah, in this place. After 29, hit and enter.
Okay. 29.
Uh,
Okay.
let's say you are running many data. See, like the get member is being hit like 1,000 times per minute, and there are many data coming in. For one particular data, it is throwing error. Let's say that's what happening. So you need to know what all data is coming in, so that you need to see, okay, if there is any bad data, like some bad character they are sending instead of in. Okay, that how you can test this. Right, console.log, console console dot log. You
Okay.
don't have log, then write console dot write. Log is in Angular. Okay, console dot write. Ah, right, and put the ID inside it.
Okay.
ID. Just close it. That's it. Now you stop and run it again, and when you hit this particular API, see the console. So these are the ways you can go and check uh, these things,
Okay.
your issues.
Okay. This one printed here.
You're seeing, no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is one way. Okay. So now actually you gave the root. So you define the root, but there is no need to go to your code. There's one more thing that you need to know in API. Okay, go to your controller. See, actually, this is the web API. That's all. Now here there is one controller that you are getting without URL. There's one more controller that we are getting with one query string, which is ID. So and maybe you can get it as a model. Okay. I want you to try model. Just create a very blank model, maybe a model with ID alone. Simple.
Okay.
Okay. Create a model that will have ID property alone. And instead of this int ID, put that model. Okay. Model and model name. And receive it from your front end. Same. And based on that model ID, you return the data. You get it right?
Actually, creating one separate model. Okay.
Yeah. You have created one separate model members. Let's say members. Okay, done. Now stop it. Stop your application. I will tell you what you should do. Let me share my screen. Is that fine?
Actually, 1 minute. Is it like compulsory like a root key we can
No,
write?
that's what I was about to tell. Okay, yeah. So yeah. So remove the root. Remove the root.
Okay.
Remove the root because you have already configured a root there in line number 8. Okay. So it's no need that you should put root again and again. But your your .NET Core does not have a root configuration, so it does not be able to identify the action. Okay, so what you should do is next to your HTTP get, next to your HTTP get, put an parenthesis after HTTP get. Yeah,
Okay.
after HTTP, parenthesis,
Okay.
open and close parenthesis, and inside that double quotation give some name.
Okay.
Inside double quotation give some name. Oh, no, no, not like that. Give like a get member. Give something like get member.
Okay.
Okay. Remove the root below. It is like you are making your .NET Core identify the root. Okay. So then the above one also, line number 14 also give some name.
Okay.
Now run it. This is a security feature in .NET Core that you do not express your method name.
Okay.
Expose your method name. Actually, one more thing, never give this HTTP verb name. No, never give this in capital letters. Everything should be in small letters. That is one coding standard. Okay,
Okay.
so that everything should be in small letters. No, okay. Controller name can be caps. This one, yeah, that get member, get all member. You have put it in line number 14. No,
Okay.
that everything should be in small letters.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
that's one thing that you should do. Yeah.
Okay. Actually,
So
we can duplication of for here we get like.
put a name for your method so that your external world doesn't know what your method name itself.
Okay. Okay.
Even though if you are giving me URL, I will not know your method name. No, you
Yes.
can give some other name too. Okay. So just
Okay.
copy the one controller and paste it below. We'll see how to do it with methods models. Yeah, copy one
Okay.
controller and paste it. Now the input we'll try is with no, not the one control method. One controller method. Hmm.
Okay.
Copy with
Okay. Mate.
HTTP, uh,
Okay.
paste it below at the end
Yes.
after line number 27. Yeah. So now let's do is take the input as okay. Rename the method name.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, so you have done that. So
Yes.
you already have the member model now. So inside, instead of taking it as int, get the member model. Your input should be as member model. Go to your
Okay.
controller. Yeah, get the input as member model. How you get the input as model? No, 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 no. How you get the input as model in MVC? Same way. Get the
Okay. Okay.
your controller input should be model.
Yes. Here.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Now run the AP.
Yes.
Go to your member one. Yeah, click on that. Okay, try it out. Click on try it out. See, now your input is an model. You should pass data
Okay.
this way. Two things. See, you have given it as HTTP get, but still HTTP get with model works fine. Yes, it will work fine. Okay, as I said. But when you are passing it as a model, you should always
Post method.
do a post.
Yes. Yes.
That is the right way of implementing. And
Yes.
what else? Go to your code. Go to your code.
Okay.
Second, never do have this I enumerable member and all. No, your action result is enough, more than enough. Never do have these things. See,
Actually, I
action
have
result.
right because I have like getting here some kind of error. I don't know, but so I am just finding the solution and adding this I enumerable. Uh,
Uh, Actually, you should not. Okay. You try working it. Try removing and
okay.
running
Okay.
it. Yeah, we'll see that.
Member repository is not null here. Yes, this type of error I was quoting.
This is because we are returning it as it is. Okay, for now you have it. When we next class we'll because what we are doing is we are returning it as this one. Okay, we should not do that actually. Mm, what we are doing is what is wrong. Numbers, where is the numbers? Where is the numbers? Okay. One second. Show me a controller. You get the error when the first method also.
Yes.
If you remove that, mm, that is because we did not do that properly. We should not return directly. That is the issue. We should not do that. Okay, I'll tell you what is the
Okay,
issue.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Actually, we
Uh,
can write it this way.
no. What you're telling?
Like uh, first
I'll
getting
tell you.
the okay,
You should get the result into a list or something separately and then return the result. Okay.
okay,
Now, if you are directly, as you are directly returning, it is expecting the return type itself that to be that model. One thing, you should have seen this in MVC also. Never ever make the return type other than action result because controller return types are only action result. It cannot be different. Okay.
okay.
So what you do is two things I'm going to tell you today. First thing is main. This the same what you have done in the second method. See, you are getting the int id, no, and then
Yes,
passing that id to your controller, like your function, and from there you are doing the where condition and returning it back, no. The
yes.
third method you have the same, but you are sending it as an model. get the ID from the model and then return the data first. Okay,
Okay.
you get what I'm doing, telling now. Actually, it is
Yeah.
simple. Members.id will give you the ID, but yeah, try it. Okay.
Okay.
And second, let's say, see in this third method itself, I will tell, but you try to implement in others. Okay, this return member repository dot get members will return basically it will return a list or a method basically. Okay, a list or a model of data, right?
Okay.
I will share my screen quickly. For this alone, I will tell you so that you can just write and show you, but you try it on your own. Okay.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So what you are doing here is returning as it is. Instead of returning as it is, see this get members by ID is returning a single model. Okay. A single model. It is returning a single model. That's how we wrote it as. Okay. The second one returns the members. First one returns the list of members, but second one returns members. So what you should do is member members create an object for that members. Okay,
Okay.
then members, this members equal to, here you call the function, you call the member repository dot get. Okay, now
Okay.
your result will be saved in members. No, this members return like this, return okay of members. That's how you should do. You understood?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
If you do that, you will not see error here for asking you to return. See, I am returning the members. It's not throwing error. No, I enumerable that I don't need that. Okay. See, API can return only status codes. Second, very important thing. This
Okay.
is about APIs. API API means it is an programming interface and it can return only status codes. Basically, only
Okay.
two status codes. One is 200, one is 204, else it is 400, 400 error. Okay, and else 500 errors. Okay, these are all the status code, and API can return. With that, it can return errors, errors or data. See, OK is 200, so it is returning OK. Along with it, it is returning data. You can return
Okay.
no content also. No content, which means there is no data. Okay,
Okay.
so
No content
that's
means
how.
it's also success, right?
It will go as success. Actually, it will not go as yeah. It will return success, but the status code will be 204.
Okay.
That's all. Status code will be 204. It will go as success. It will not throw error, but there will be no data.
Okay. Okay.
So these are all the different statuses of this one. Try everything. What you should do is, if you are passing ID, you are
Okay.
giving members equal to calling that method and returning the data to members. No, check
Okay.
if members dot any will not work here. No? Sorry. Any will work for methods only. Okay, I'll list only. Okay, dot count.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, sorry. This is no, equal to null. Okay, if it is
Yes.
equal
Yes.
to null, return
Then.
no content.
Yes. Yes.
Else return okay. Okay of that members.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, and if there is you can do one more thing also. Okay, this is something I haven't written the method, but I am telling you. You you can pass a reference error. Okay, you can pass a
Okay.
reference error. You pass it here also, ref error, and from your controller also you can send an error to this method. Okay, to this method. Let's say repository.member, you are passing ID comma error. Okay, and
Okay.
error you can define it here. String error is equal to, you should define it here. And if you want to know if there is any error, if error not equal to empty string, then there is some error. Okay, you can assign error if where is that member repository and all. If the here if you see any error, you can say error is equal to something. Error is equal to something. You can assign it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. My get members in this one is just oh, reference string error. Sorry. Here also reference string error and from controller. Okay. So if my error is not null, means then there is an error. You should return bad request, which means you are throwing the error. Okay, you got it.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
how to
yes.
catch the error? How to catch the error? This you should know. Try catch. So you should return this in your try, and if it is an error, you should return that request or something. Return the error. Something you should return. Okay. Basically, here what we will do is we'll return the list empty list. Okay. New
Okay.
of empty list we'll return. Mm, list members. Return this, but if there is an error here, what we will do is basically we'll assign the error. Error is equal to something. So if there is any error in the try block, it comes here, it catches the error, it returns the empty list, goes back to the controller, and when it comes here, so the error will not be empty and returns the bad request.
Okay.
So these are the different ways to capture your errors, how to return no content, how to return OK content. Okay, these are all different types. Okay, and
Yes.
if you are getting member, let's say members, no, members of member, how to pass a member means basically let's say a member dot id. If you say member dot, you'll see all the data inside the member. See, member id, first name, last name, address, everything.
Okay.
So passing an model is stupid. Okay, that's all. Actually, this is safe way. You use this in different ways. Okay,
Okay.
I want to try all these today. Okay,
Yes, yes.
you try and let me know if you are seeing any error. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. You try and let me know if you're not seeing any error. This one in member repository, we'll upgrade it to uh, what is that? Entity framework. Okay.
Okay.
We'll change this. Entity framework means nothing but only here we are going to change. Here, let's say if you are going to get the data from database, means what you will do, you'll try to write a connection string. If it is global, same. Even in ASP.NET or ADO.NET is same. You will connect with your database, get the data, and you'll just return it in a string or any entity you want. Okay. Instead of that,
Okay.
you'll be doing an entity framework that we will see. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's all.
Yes.
You try this and let me know, and we'll work on this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Jignesh. Well, let's see tomorrow.
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.